Bodies of water. Learning objective. At the end of the lesson, the pupils are expected to identify different water forms of the earth. Let us travel the earth and learn about these various water bodies found only on our beautiful planet. Sea. Seas are large bodies of salt water that are connected to oceans, and they are often partially surrounded by land. An ocean is a huge body of salt water. Oceans cover nearly 71% of Earth's surface. They contain almost 98% of all the water on Earth. A lake is a large body of water that is surrounded by land. Lakes contain less than 1% of the world's fresh water, but they are a very important freshwater source. A waterfall is a place in a river where water spills suddenly downward. Waterfalls are known for their beauty and awesome power. A river is a large natural stream of water that flows over land. Pond. A pond is a body of water smaller than a lake. Ponds support a wide range of wildlife. Ducks, turtles, swans, small fish, and frogs can live in a pond. A bay is a body of water that is partly surrounded by land. Bays empty out into larger bodies of water like oceans and lakes. Thank you for watching my video. Follow for more. Bye bye.